Well, this morning we woke up and it was negative 33 degrees. And we have found that our furnace does not want to keep up. It was only 60 degrees in the house.
Boiler.
The boiler. And we've got frost on all our windows. So today we are going to go to wherever we can find plastic. I mean, look at this window here. Check this out. For temporary, for winter, to put over all our windows, because hopefully next year we can get these windows replaced. They are really bad. So if you guys know anyone who sells windows and is looking to somehow promote their product, we would love to hear from them. Look at this door. I mean, it's frozen to the touch. I mean, it hurts to touch the handle, you guys. It's that cold out. So, you know, to put it in perspective, it's warm in our basement as it is up here, and there's no heat in the basement. So that is pretty bad. And you go in this room, you see frost on the windows, frost on the windows. And you're getting a tour of our house too. So, look at this. All our windows, all of them, even the basement windows, need to be replaced. It is crazy bad. Oh, you probably can't see that, but anyway, this is our favorite window because we get to watch the deer outside in the trees. But look at this. We got our film for the windows. Now I have to put the tape up, and then I can put the film on and then blow dry it. It's not easy with these lines on here, but we'll get her done. Maybe. All right, you guys, this is not going to be easy. Let's see here. If I could see, it'd be one thing. I can't really see very well. Or get my fingers up behind there. Come on. Oh darn, never got the scissors. Ah, the tape is falling. The tape is falling. See how much we need. I'm gonna go with right here. Oh, this is so not easy. I think I got it for the most part. I think maybe. Sorry guys, I gotta try and get this other side off. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, yes. All right. Now I have to take this film, which it used to come in strips. I don't know if everyone remembers that or not, but I have to take this film and stretch it across that tape. All right. As you can see, my table's in my way. I think I'm just going to cut it. Right here. I'm boiling up now. Then you unfold. Well, first I'm supposed to put tape, the rest of the tape on. Then unfold. Oops. Oh my god, guys, this is so bad. Ugh. It'll still work. It'll work. Trust me, they say. You can tell that they've done this before because I see some remnants right there. I'm not in the former owners. Because living out in the country, there's a lot of wind gusts. Now the big test, once I get all these windows done, will be how it feels in the morning when we wake up. Gotta get out the trusty blow dryer. Put it on hot, hot, and high. Can bounce a quarter off it. I ran out of tape, so I gotta go get some more over here.